Welcome to my channel. Today, I will tell you about an exciting and spectacular phenomenon, a meteor shower or starfall. After watching the video to the end, you will find out if the meteor shower is dangerous for our planet. So, enjoy watching. A meteor shower is the fall of a large number of meteorites onto the Earth's surface that did not burn up completely in the atmosphere and reach the surface of the planet. It occurs rarely and can be caused by the destruction of a large meteoroid or asteroid in the atmosphere. A meteor shower is a phenomenon in which multiple meteors or shooting stars appear in the sky over a short period of time. It occurs annually and predictably when the Earth crosses the orbit of a comet and dust particles burn up in the atmosphere, creating bright flashes of light. The Earth is the third most distant planet from the Sun. The Earth is located closer to the middle of the solar system, where there are a huge number of asteroids, comets, meteorites, and other cosmic bodies. All cosmic bodies, including meteorites, rotate in their specific orbits. However, several asteroids usually rotate in one orbit at once. Due to this, when they set different speeds, new space bodies can form due to their collision or their departure from orbit. Comets that are in orbits close to Earth approach it once every century, or even more. However, when a comet is strongly heated by the sun, its piece, consisting of dust and a prototype of ice, decomposes due to the strong radioactive rays of the sun. The water disappears, and the dust is discharged into the open space, forming a tail effect. The very dust that the comet leaves when it is heated by the sun's radioactive rays begins to penetrate the Earth's atmosphere. Due to the rapid speed of their fall, as well as the presence of a large amount of oxygen in the atmosphere, dust and other space bodies begin to burn up instantly. It is due to this that the effect of a falling star is created. All this happens 55 degrees north of the equator. The comet itself, from which the dust is escaping, does not create any effect. The dust settles in a certain orbit of outer space and meets the Earth when it makes a complete rotation around the sun and returns to the place where the dust originally came out of the comet. Meteor shower, or as it is also called, fire rain, is a phenomenon when many meteorites fall to Earth, often due to the destruction of a large meteorite in the atmosphere. Unlike meteor showers, which are particles of cometary matter that burn up in the atmosphere, meteor showers consist of debris that has reached the surface. A meteor body enters the Earth's atmosphere at high speed, heats up and glows. Due to the oncoming air currents in the atmosphere of our planet, the so-called ablation occurs. This is the burning and blowing of particles of a cosmic body. As a result, the mass of a cosmic body can become significantly less than before it enters the atmosphere. In some cases, small meteor bodies burn up completely without ever reaching the Earth's surface. Often, when falling, cosmic bodies are destroyed into several separate bodies, as a result of which a meteor shower actually occurs. Traces of the combustion and destruction of a cosmic body are observed by people through telescopes, and sometimes with the naked eye. In the event that a meteor body does not burn up in the Earth's atmosphere, it begins to lose speed and change its falling trajectory. Sometimes, from an almost horizontal trajectory, the body moves to an almost vertical trajectory of falling. The closer a body is to the surface of the Earth, the more it cools down and the less it glows. When a single meteorite falls, a crater forms, and when a meteor shower falls, a field is formed called the area of the meteorite scattering ellipse. Previously, meteor showers were not distinguished from meteor showers. Both the first and the second were called the same way, fire rain. They were often interpreted as divine signs, either as positive favorable or as negative. Scientists have long given an answer to the question of why meteor showers occur. Several times a year, our planet passes through areas of space debris, which includes comet dust, as well as parts of asteroids. Entering the Earth's atmosphere, these elements burn up, forming a bright flash, which is called a shooting star. It seems that all meteor showers are white, but this is not the case. The shade depends on their chemical composition. For example, if it is dominated by magnesium, shooting stars will be blue or green, and meteors made of calcium will appear purple. Currently, scientists know of 64 meteor showers that are formed as a result of the passage of our planet through an area filled with remnants of comets, asteroids, and more. When the Earth encounters a stream of meteoritic particles, meteors can be observed that have an almost parallel trajectory in the atmosphere. These trajectories have the appearance of coming out of only one specific point in the sky. This point is called the radiant. Meteor showers are named after the constellations in which their radiants are located, or they are oriented towards the nearest and brightest star. There are many more meteor showers, only some of them are the most famous. The Perseids are a stream that forms when the Earth passes through dust particles left by comet Swift-Tuttle. The Geminids are a powerful stream to watch in early December. A kind of record holder in 2011, for example, he provided a real show. You could see up to 200 meteors per hour. The name of the stream Geminids comes from the name of the constellation Gemini, against which it is visible in the starry sky. The Leonids are a stream consisting of very fast meteors. Ursus is a winter stream that can be observed in December. The radiant is located near the constellation Ursa Minor. As well as the southern and northern Taurids, which are active from September to December. Each of these streams is an amazing sight. It is worth seeing it for the sake of beauty and a sense of belonging to the mysteries of the universe. Usually, a star shower can be seen with the naked eye, provided the sky is clear and there is no light pollution. Of course, ideally, observers can count dozens of bright meteors per hour. And NASA calls the Geminid stream one of the best and most reliable star showers of the year. We can observe meteor showers when the Earth crosses the tracks of comets and asteroids. These tracks consist of many fragments of different sizes that burn up in the atmosphere of our planet, leaving colorful streaks. In the case of the Geminids, these are fragments of the rocky asteroid Phaeton. Since meteor showers are caused by asteroids, not comets, they look much more spectacular. Because asteroids are made of rocky rocks, and comets are made of ice, Geminids produce white, yellow, green, red, and blue colors depending on the metal inclusions in the asteroid fragments. There are quite a lot of such falling meteor showers every year. There's even a calendar when you can see this fantastic sight in all its splendor. The Earth rotates around the Sun every year and passes through the same areas of meteor swarms that are left over from different comets. Meteor showers consist mainly of cometary matter that burns up in the atmosphere before reaching the surface, which means they do not pose any consequences or threats to our planet. But a rare meteor shower and the fall of large single meteorites definitely pose a threat to the Earth. In the next video, I'll talk about this and the most unusual meteorites in the history of the Earth.